Hey there! Got your shiny new iPhone 15 Pro Max? Awesome! Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Emergency SOS feature. It's a lifesaver, literally. First off, let's get you familiar with the basics. Press and hold the side button along with one of the volume buttons until the Emergency SOS slider appears. Drag the slider to call emergency services. But what if the call doesn't go through? No worries. Tap emergency text via satellite to text emergency services. It's an amazing feature that uses satellite communication when you're off the grid. Let's break it down step by step. Go to the Messages app. Text 911 or SOS, then tap Emergency Services. You'll see an option called Report Emergency. Tap that and follow the on-screen instructions. The interface will guide you through the whole process. It's designed to be super intuitive, so you don't have to worry about getting lost in a critical moment. Remember, it's always good to familiarize yourself with these features before you actually need them. You don't want to be figuring this out in the middle of an emergency. So that's it. Mastering the Emergency SOS on your iPhone 15 Pro Max is as easy as pie. Stay safe and make sure to share this video with friends and family. Got questions or tips? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more handy iPhone tips. See you next time.